Ask any bakery manager to list the top 5 issues that detract from the smooth running of their bakery, and you can be fairly sure that dough temperature control will be fighting for pole position. In an ideal world, the temperature control system should also merge seamlessly with the production process, with as little room for human error as possible, and with enough capacity to cope with even the warmest summers. While it is well understood that accurate, repeatable control of dough temperatures is highly desirable, it is not so easily achieved in practice. 5 years ago, Zebra Ice machines introduced a revolutionary brine-based liquid ice system, which made many of these objectives a reality. However, the attraction was limited due to the size and relatively high capital cost of the system, along with the ongoing drive to reduce salt levels in all food products. It is for these and other reasons that Zebra Ice machines have developed a much simpler, freshwater version of the StreamIce system, which has all the benefits of the salt-based system, but also has a much wider appeal due to its simplicity, lower capital costs, and the possibility to provide systems sized for smaller bakery operations. For the most part, modern bakeries are highly efficient, but when things start to go wrong, the problems rapidly multiply. Dough temperature control issues can send a bakery into a tailspin, with over-fermenting product oozing from bins, scrap areas overflowing, sticky dough, poor moulding quality and unacceptable downtime. These are just some of the negative effects that poor dough temperature control has on production, and that's leaving aside the undesirable effects on product yield and quality. Problems any business with demanding schedules can well do without, yet they are all too common and can put busy production personnel under immense pressure. Taking the black art out of controlling dough temperature is vital, yet finding the right solution in itself can be time-consuming and all too often fruitless. There have been many technologies put forward over the years for control of dough temperatures, but the two most popular methods are ice and chilled water. Chilled water has the advantage that it is fairly low cost and easy to get into the mixer. However, its big drawback is that it only contains a small amount of cooling energy per volume, around 20 kilocalories per litre. Obviously, the water content for a recipe is limited, and if the cooling energy needed is greater than the cooling capacity of the water, you have a problem. Ice has the advantage of containing lots of energy in a small volume. A kilogram of ice has around 4 times the cooling energy as a litre of chilled water. That's around 80 kilocalories per kilogram. And when it melts, in order to absorb this heat energy from the dough, you are left with a litre of chilled water in the mix at 0 degrees centigrade. This means that no matter how much heat is in your dough, you can always swap a little more water for ice in order to achieve optimum temperature. The drawback up to now of using ice is that it has always been a manual process, with the ice weighed and added by hand. Alternative technologies, which in theory provide the desired automatically controlled solution, have also been tried and generally are reliable. Like chilled water, they are only partially successful due to poor cooling efficiency when compared to ice. A freshwater StreamIce system allows all the ice to be produced, stored and pumped from one central location to any mixer in the bakery. It combines the advantages of ice and chilled water into one solution: high efficiency, rapid cooling and simple delivery and dosing. A freshwater StreamIce system consists of an ice machine, one or more storage and agitation units, controls and delivery system. The systems are available in a wide range of capacities and several specifications to suit different requirements and budgets. At the heart of every Zebra Ice machine is the ice generator. This unit has the proven track record of reliability and longevity, gained over many years in the industry. The water enters the unit at the bottom. As it makes contact with the refrigerated cylinder walls, the ice crystals form and are carried to the top of the unit and ejected into the ice delivery hose, where it slides by gravity into the SIB tank. The SIB tank has an agitation system to keep the ice crystals in suspension, ready to pump on demand, and is well insulated to keep the StreamIce in good condition during storage. Should the ice be stored long enough to begin to degrade, an automatic drain function maintains the ice crystal's density at a constant level, so the cooling effect to the mixers is always constant. The pump has been selected to ensure the high-speed delivery necessary for bakery applications, while at the same time ensuring that the StreamIce is not degraded in any way. In a typical installation, the mixer software or the operator enters the amount of ice needed per mix. Once this has been entered during the filling cycle of the mixer, a signal is sent to the StreamIce freshwater or SIF plant, which then automatically doses the correct amount of ice to the mixer. As soon as the ice is delivered, a confirmation signal is then sent back to the mixer. A single SIF plant can support multiple mixers in this way and always delivers the correct amount of cooling to each mixer in an accurate and repeatable way. As all of the ice is produced and stored in one central location and delivered automatically, the safety, hygiene and human error risks are taken out of the equation, making the product cooling just another liquid ingredient. A bakery with a modern SIF system can put all the problems associated with low temperature behind them for good. No more operators running around with carts or buckets of ice. No more human error such as incorrect weighing or forgetting to add the ice. No more scrap dough or product quality issues due to insufficient dough cooling. No more cleaning up the mess that sticky dough creates. No more inconsistent dough development in the mould. Just accurate, repeatable and reliable process control. Thank you again for spending the time to view this presentation. If you would like to discuss how an SIF system could benefit your operation, please contact Zegra UK.